Hi, today we are going to take the first look at a Black & Decker cordless drill. The model number is ASD18KB. It's an AutoSense drill. Let's take a look at what's inside this sturdy plastic box. Okay, so here we go. Here's the manual, a battery, it's a second battery you can say, a desktop charger, and the drill equipped with the first battery. The first impression about the drill is its build quality is very good. And the pistol grip is quite ergonomic. Here's the touch panel to switch between the modes. You can select the drill or driving mode, and there's a battery indicator too. The drill comes with a 10 mm keyless chuck. It's a plastic chuck though, but the build quality is good. And it is working smoothly. Here's the control panel. Switching between drill and driving mode. And the indicator for the battery. The drill is a lightweight one, not very bulky and easy to control. The trigger is quite responsive. It's an AutoSense drill. That means you don't need to adjust the torque for screw driving. That is taken control by the drill itself through AutoSense technology. All you have to do is to switch it between a drill and driver mode, and the rest of the decision is done by the drill itself. So how much torque to apply on a screw is being driven through AutoSense technology. So you don't need to adjust the torque. That way it is a good choice for DIYers and home users, so they don't need to go through the complex setting. The drill comes with a screw driving bit. It is being run by lithium battery. There are two of the 18 volt 2 ampere hour batteries that comes with the kit. All the setting that you need to go along with is just the control panel for switching between drill and driver mode. Overall build quality of the drill is quite impressive. That's what you can expect from a company like Black & Decker. is made of plastic, but it looks quite sturdy and rigid. The rubberized grip is also very good to hold the grip. The overall build quality, I will give it 9 out of 10. Here it is. I would recommend this build to the DIYers and semi-professionals. It's not a professional machine though. It's not a workhorse, but it is a very good machine for home user and DIYers, because you don't need to go through complex setting. All you have to do is to switch the mode and press the trigger. So overall, it's a good quality drill that I would recommend any home user should have. And it comes with enough battery power to run the whole day, and there are 2 batteries and a desktop charger, so overall it's more than enough for any home user.